Magandang hapon sa ating lahat. Ngayong oras ay makakasama niyo si Cheska.
At Tiana, dahil alauna na naman ng hapon, kaya oras na naman ng kwentuhan sa kwento.
One!
At syempre, ang ating mga kasama ngayong oras ay isang magandang binibini na mahusay sa pagsusulat ng mga nobela tulad na lang ng Where Are You, Lost in the Middle of the Night, o ang pinagiliwan ngayon sa What Did na He Write. Now, let us welcome Miss Chanel Tapili.
Hello everyone, I am Chanel, the writer of He Write.
Magandang hapon sa inyo. Alam mo ba sis, sinisimulan ko na basahin yung story niya kasi palagi siyang trending sa Twitter at ang dami nagre-recommend sa akin ito.
Naku sis, sinusubaybayan ko yung update niya noon. Tapos yung ending. Naku grabe, hindi ko man naranasan pero habang binabasa ko, ramdam na ramdam ko parang ako si Lina. Tapos di ko akalain.
Tama na sis, baka pati ending ikwento mo. So, Miss Chanel, saan po ba talaga tungkol yung story niyo?
A girl named Trina has a best friend, Faye. Since they were 8 years old, nagkakasundo na sila sa mga pinaggagawa nila. Ang unang pagkikita nila ay sa guidance office ng school kasi may nag-report sa kanila na they bullied someone from the other grade year. But they said that they just defending themselves against him. Simula noon ay nag-promise na sila sa isa't isa na poprotektahan nila ang isa't isa. Actually, this story prioritizes how important to have a best friend, how you should cherish them, and also the importance of honesty in a relationship and appreciate everything that they did. Kahit na may mga pagkakamali or hindi man perfecto, kailangan pa rin i-appreciate.
Sis, umiyak ka ba dyan? Dinidescribe pa lang niyo yung story. Namamaga na mata mo.
Sorry Miss Chanel, hindi kasi ako makaget over sa story mo. So, nung nakarang araw ay nag-Twitter party kami sa Ask Missy. Ngayon po, sasabihin namin yung mga tanong nila at kailangan niyong sagutin. Game po.
Yes, of course. Game na game.
Ito yung most asked question sa Twitter. Who inspired you in writing this story? Is this the real ending of your story and is this true to life story?
Faith inspired me the most. She is my best friend.
Huwag kang matakot, di mo ba alam nandito lang ako sa iyong tabi, di kita pababayaan kailanman. At kung ikaw ay mahulog sa bangin, ay sasaluhin kita. Huwag kang matakot na matulog mag-isa, kasama mo naman ako. Huwag kang matakot na umibig at lumuha, kasama mo naman ako. Huwag kang matakot. Huwag kang matakot, dahil ang buhay mo'y walang katapusan. Makapangyarihan ang pag-ibig na hawak mo sa iyong kamay. Ikaw ang Diyos, hari ng iyong mundo. Matakot sila sa'yo. Huwag kang matakot na matulog mag-isa, kasama mo naman ako. Huwag kang matakot na umibig at luha, kasama mo naman ako. Huwag kang matakot na magmukhang tanga, kasama mo naman ako. Matakot sa hindi mo kakakita, kasama mo naman ako. Huwag kang matakot. Hi, Janet.
Para sa'yo na kumain ka araw-araw at maligo ka parang awa mo na. Kailangan mo yung para maging malakas. Hindi gusto ko ipakita sa'yo. Tinawa. Pina-frame ko yung picture natin nung bata tayo. Kasi ang cute-cute natin dito. Bigay na bigay tayo sa pagsayaw. Diba? Ang daming memories dati. And ito, nakita ko siya na nakaraan sa gamit ko. And cheer dancer. Iyan. Tapos, and ito din, nakita ko siya na nakaraan. Ito yung nagalaw sa akin nung birthday ko nung grade 6 tayo. Tapos, nahuli na kita nun pero dinedeny mo pa rin sa akin na hindi ka nagsusulat ng letter. Yan. So, hindi ko alam kung ano isipan mo, kung bakit punong-puno to ng letter. Simula taas hanggang baba, puno ng sulat mo. So, anyway, gusto ko lang sabihin na sobrang proud ako sa'yo. Sobrang proud ako sa mga ginawa mo, sa story na sinusulat mo ngayon, na hanggang ngayon tinatago mo pa rin sa akin. Pero sa bagay, unfair naman sa readers and fans mo kung mauuna akong basahin yun, di ba? So, gusto ko talagang mag-sorry sa'yo. Kasi hindi talaga kita masamahan ngayon. Sorry kung ang dami kong tinatago ay hindi ko pa dapat sabihin sa'yo. Pero gusto ko lang na malaman mo na whatever you want, whatever you are, I'm so proud of you. Swear to God. Proud na proud ako sa best friend ko. I'm so lucky to have you. It's been 8 years since we met. Maybe God destined us to meet. Pero sa dami ng lugar, bakit sa guidance office pa? Thank you dahil sa 8 taon. Natiis mo ako. Sa oras na kailangan ko ng kausap, sa oras na kailangan ko ng tulong at gabay, nandyan ka palagi. Thank you dahil hanggang ngayon, ginagawa mo pa rin yung promise mo sa akin na poprotektahan mo ako. Pero, sorry kung hindi ko magawa yun sa'yo. Sorry kung hindi ko siya mabalik sa'yo. Yung pangako na yun. I know you don't know it yet, but I am sorry if this day I can hug you. I can give this present to you. Sorry because I am not sure if I am still in this world. Happy birthday, Chanel. For the 8 years. I really appreciate your efforts, your love, your comforts. I appreciate everything you did to me. I am sorry if I am careless, irresponsible. But thank you for understanding my part. I am sorry for secrets and lies. For the last time, I need your understanding once you know the truth. I really miss you. Happy birthday to my favorite and the best author. Enjoy your day.
Just close your eyes, I'm by your side. Everything fades away, just go with the flow. Do you know me? All the moments we shared, I'm not going anywhere. Never quite understood it when you told me. Just close your eyes and I'll be right by your side. These memories don't say goodbye.
I guess a certain dream that you're gonna keep, 'cause they only know what you let them say. All the things that I know that your parents don't care like I do, no one like I do. And all the things that I know that your parents don't. They don't care like I do. Nowhere like I do. Nowhere like I do. 'Cause I care about you. There's nowhere I'd rather be than right here on. I care about you. There's nowhere I'd rather be than all the things that I know that your parents know. They don't care about you. All the things that I know that your parents know don't care about you. The way that I, the way that I do, the way that I do.
Oh my God. Sorry, nagulat ako. Walang masabi. Yana, sis, ikaw muna. Yana?
Teka lang, sis.
Guys, she won't like this kind of situation. Cheer up!
Sorry to everyone. Nasagot na niya yung mga tanong nyo. I quit na sa programang ito.
Okay, so to those people who asked that question, the person who inspired me was Faith. Yes, it happened to me. I published this story not to pity you, but to show you the importance of being honest with your friend and also to your family. I already know that she is fighting against hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, but I did not tell her because I know she does not like to share it with me. But to be honest, I regret that I didn't tell her that. Sobra akong nagsisi na sana kung sinabi ko sa kanya na alam ko, sana inalagaan ko siya, sana nasamahan ko siya, and sana sa mga nakakabasa at nagbabasa pa lang, maipakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kahalaga ang pagsasabi ng totoo. And appreciate everyone around you. They are blessings from God.
Sorry to ask, pero ano po yung hypertrophic cardiomyopathy? Inborn po ba to? May prevention po ba?
So, hypertrophic cardiomyopathy is a heart disease na yung heart muscle is abnormally thick. Nagiging reason yun para mahirapan mag-beat yung heart niya.
Yung nasa story po, yun po ba talaga ang reason kaya lumala yung heart disease niya?
So, ACADS yung nasa story pero may iba pang dahilan kung bakit. Pero privacy niya na yun. Sorry to spoil for those who is still reading. You better skip this part. Yung ending ng story is during operation niya. 'Di ba? Pero yung nangyari talaga ay she passed away before the operation dahil hindi na rin niya kinaya. So, ayun.
Thank you so much for sharing the background of playwright. I'll read this promise.
Thank you Red also for inviting me to the show. Yana, are you okay?
Yeah, miss. I'm a big fan of yours. I read all of your stories. Ang ganda lahat. Pero may question po ako.
Yes, what's that po?
The title of your story is He Right. Bakit po yun naging title?
To be honest, ang dami kong naisip na title, pero yung He Right yung pinaka nagustuhan ko. Because this word means homesickness for a home to which you cannot return. A home which maybe never was, the nostalgia, the yearning, and the grief for the lost places of your past. So, yung sinasabi kong home is Faye, Kleena's best friend or Faith in reality.
Grabe. Pati title, ang ganda ng meaning. Ang ganda po talaga ng mga gawa niyo.
Any message for Yana? I mean your fans and readers.
So hello again. Thank you so much for reading my stories in Wattpad. My first story was Fate's Idea, and also the unfinished story will be released soon. Kaya pakiabangan. I am also looking for suggestions, and again, thank you so much especially to the show. Thank you, Yana and Cheska, and thank you for having me in this afternoon.
Sana po madami pa po kayong ma-inspire sa story niyo. Thank you po so much.
Yay! A round of applause for Miss Chanel Capili.
December 6, 2019, 5 a.m. in the morning. I am running to the hallway of the hospital, trying to call you, asking the nurse which room you were in. But by the time I went there, you were already enjoying yourself in the paradise. Regrets. I only feel regrets to my decisions. I wish I told you that I know. I wish I stayed by your side all the time. But I am too late for those wishes. Faith. For the 8 years, I was always there beside you, but not because you needed me. But I was there because I don't want you to be burdened by your sadness. I don't want to see you in pain. Day passed. I was in grief, feeling like I am drowning with regrets. Losing someone who understood you the most was the hardest challenge to take in this playful world. But now, thinking that you are already happy in that paradise, I feel relief. Happy. I always miss you, but I know you don't feel any pain right now. So, enjoy yourself there, my angel.
Try giving in a little more to the warmth we had before. Huwag kang matakot, di mo ba alam na dito lang ako sa iyong tabi, di kita pababayaan kailanman. At kung ikaw ay mahulog sa bangin, ay sasaluhin kita. Huwag kang matakot na matulog mag-isa, kasama mo naman ako. Huwag kang matakot na umibig at lumuha, kasama mo naman ako. Huwag kang matakot. Huwag kang matakot, dahil ang buhay mo'y walang katapusan. Makapangyarihan ang pag-ibig na hawak mo sa iyong kamay. Ikaw ang Diyos, hari ng iyong mundo. Matakot sila sa'yo. Huwag kang matakot na matulog mag-isa, kasama mo naman ako.